Compared to using a subdomain, custom domains are a good way to appear professional, like these domains that someone we're almost sure is a lawyer said we had to purchase just to make this video. Custom domains keep our branding simple. We're going to cover 5 parts of this operation: adding the custom domain, enabling SSL hosting, updating the DNS, setting the default, and verifying. Let's add the custom domain. From project settings in the hosting tab, we're just typing out the domain name, and we want to make sure we have both the root version and the www version. And that's it. That's adding the custom domain. We're moving quickly. Let's enable SSL. All we'll do here is switch this to on, and we've now enabled SSL. Let's update the DNS. Now, most DNS providers keep backups, but it's always a great idea to take a screenshot or otherwise capture your existing settings so you can revert back to them if necessary. And we can now move forward. If this is an existing domain, we're covering that too in just a moment, so watch through first if you haven't done this before. We're wanting to add 2 A records with a host value of @ that point to these addresses. Of course, we can just copy and paste. We can copy each address one by one from our dashboard right into our DNS configuration. After those 2 A records are in, we'll want to add one more record. This is a CNAME record, and we're pointing it here. That's it. That's all. Now, we mentioned existing domains a moment ago. If this is an existing domain, you might already have different records inside your DNS configuration, different records here. That's okay. You can remove the A records or replace them with the ones we just covered, same with the CNAME record. If you have any trouble here, you can always reach out to your DNS provider directly, and they'll very likely get you up and running in no time. You can also reach out to our team, and we'll do our best to help you knock this out. That's DNS configuration. Let's set the www domain to default. We're just pressing the little button here, and now it's default. Finally, let's verify, and we'll simply press check status, making sure we're getting the correct information. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take a few hours, so you can always come back later if this isn't working right away. But once we're verified, we're all done. At any time, from our project settings, we can publish. Or from any page in the designer, we can publish, and publish again. Remember the complexity around FTP? Neither do we. Just publish. And that's setting up your custom domain.